This is a Dell Inspiron 8100. This machine does not belong to me. It's my brother-in-law's. What use he has for it, I don't know. I know that this machine was equipped with the wobbly screen, like they all are, and a very high-resolution display for the time. Of course, it's a 4:3 aspect ratio, but it's got a problem. See? If you play with the jack, you can see I got it to power up. And we should get post. No, it went out. You got to hold it just right. There we go. Now the screen lit up. It says the Dell Inspiron logo on it, and it went out again. And it's because of the plug, because you see if I don't hold it, it'll, well, I think we got it. So let's see if it'll power off by itself. If it does, then we probably have other issues. But that plug is definitely an issue. Okay, bad CMOS battery, and it should tell us that it can't boot, which is fine because I've already removed the hard drive from it. No need to spin that up and down for no reason. So if I wiggle the cord or just touch it, it goes out. So he took a lot of the screws out. I don't know how to open one of these. I have never done it before. I know there's 1 or 2 screws left. So we'll just pop out everything else on the machine. This is going to need a thing in it to pop it open. There we go. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. This is the modem, I think. Or is that the wire? That's the wireless card, maybe. One of the two. We can remove that. That comes out. And there's 2 connectors, one there and one there. Put that aside. Not going to bother taking the RAM out because I'm going to need that to verify if it does post. The drive here should come out. Good old floppy drive. And this has the CD on the side, but I'm not concerned about that. So there's a couple screws in it. Hopefully they're all the same size to make shit easy, but I don't know. That's a long one. That means they're going to be all different sizes. There's one here, which doesn't want to come out. So let me fight with these screws for a little bit, and oh, there we go. Same size. Okay, good. I should remagnetize my screwdriver. Anyway, let me get these out, and then we'll try to pop it open. Okay, yes, the screen does open all the way like this. I think this cover comes off somehow. Okay. Okay. Well, don't need that anymore. And the keyboard comes out. The fuck with that connector? I don't like that. It's got 2 connectors and they both popped out. They're not supposed to do that. I don't think, anyway. Ugh, what a mess. Why did they make this like this? There's a heatsink on the back of the keyboard for that chip with thermal transfer tape or whatever it's called. I don't know. But that's aside. This might come off. I don't know. Again, I've never taken one of these apart. So it seems kind of loose, but okay, so we got to disconnect this. They're still stuck here somewhere. I don't know where. Oh, there. Okay, the whole thing is just falling apart. Well, that's good, right? We don't need that. Okay, so there's that. Put that aside. Oh my goodness. They used to layer these machines just in order to fit all the stuff in. It's kind of a good thing they don't make them this way anymore. We'll take this board out. If anything, I just hand them a bag of laptop parts back and say, have a nice day, but I said I'd take a look at it. So let's see if that board comes out. Yeah, that's just a plug on it like that. It's 2 screws. And I still don't know how the optical drive is released unless there's a catch for it. No. Peculiar. Alright. Looks like it should just slide out. But again, I haven't taken one of these apart. There's another screw from before. This might have had something to do with it. But I don't know how it works or if it actuates. Maybe you gotta pull this, or it may be stuck. It might be jammed. Oh, there. That's how it goes. So put that aside. We have this shield, and something else holding it. So let me see what else is holding this, and I'll see if I can get the board out and we'll take a look at it. So I got the board out. It just took a bit of finagling to get it out of there. I have to remove this back plane here, this metal thing on the back. So I got to take all these out. They are loose, which indicates to me he may have removed this and actually gotten to this point before, but I don't know. But I think the jack is a separately replaceable part and it's not soldered to the board. Oh, I stand corrected. Disconnect these. Now these are fucking fidgety as all hell. There. And there's the jack we came for. With possibly some dodgy solder joints on it that I can't quite tell. But I'm going to reheat those with a soldering iron and see if we can get it to work. So there's the back of the power jack there. I just reheated the connections. Somebody else had tried to rework this before, so that's why there's all this flux and crap all over it. I hope. I don't know, because I can't, even with a magnifying glass, it's very hard to see. It looks like there's almost 3 pins here, which is what it looks like in the camera. But it sure don't feel that way, even when I put my fingernail on it. Strange. It may just be excess solder around it, so I'm just going to slam it back in the case and we'll see if it lights up at all, and if it doesn't, then maybe I broke it. I don't know. We'll see. Alright, we're going to plug it in. Hopefully it's not going to blow up. Hopefully nothing will get hot. Now, the power button on this machine uses a carbon button. So I don't want to reinstall that now. I have everything else just disconnected. This screwdriver may or may not be conductive enough. No, or the jack may still be fucked, or it may just not work. I may have to put it back together entirely. Alright, nothing there. Try just a piece of solder which I had handy. Oh, we got a blip. We got post. Well, we have a display. It's still fucked anyway, but you just got to find that right spot. It goes out. Shit. I think there's actually a board issue with this, in addition to a power issue. Oh, actually, no, I'm stupid. There, we'll take that away. Now it should stay on. No? Really? No. I think there's a board issue as well. Well, actually, let me just see. No, it's doing the same shit unless you hold the jack right. Yeah, something's fucked. Now it just doesn't want to power on at all. Well, I think it's a board issue. That's what I think. Or the jack internally is just screwed up. That's possible as well. This wouldn't be getting that hot. It's a passive heatsink on it anyway, so that's all seated right. That's obviously seated right, otherwise we get nothing. Oh, I unplugged it. There, it's on. Yeah, it's definitely a jack issue. Alright, let me heat it one more time. We'll take another look and then that's it. Alright, I'm tired of playing with this thing. I reheated it again. There was one other connection that didn't look like it had any solder on it. I don't know if it's supposed to or not. It may go bang now, but if it does, oh well. Well, plugs in. There. It didn't go bang. Oh, dick. Did he fucking fix it? Oh, dick. Wait, just let it... You know, I just want to get the errors up there, and then I'll wiggle the plug a bit. Okay, alright. Just wait. Just wait. Just wait. Do, 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 do. Good. Take a look at the plug. Another repair, well done. There we go. Fixed. Absolutely awesome. I just got to button it up. Cool. Okay, maiden voyage time. I even put the hard drive back in. Well, that's looking a little better. I hear it crunching around. Things are happening. The light's blinking. Like I said, I still think there's a little bit of a board issue with this. I'm not certain. But it kind of works for now. That works. This I didn't reconnect because I think the connector on it is broken. But I'm not certain. Okay, that was a little odd. But yeah, well, they even got stuff on here even. Let's see what the specs are. Oh, we need to find my computer here. Properties. I'm guessing it's like a Pentium 3 1 gigahertz or something like that. Oh, someone I know probably used to use this machine. A Pentium 3 at 1 gigahertz, running at 727 megahertz with 384 megabytes of RAM. So, who knows about the quality of the OS install, but it is there. It's now booting. All that's left to do is to slam the floppy drive back in, which might be hot pluggable, but I don't know. So I don't want to find out. It is from October 2001. So if this is an original drive, then this machine is from 2001, which would make it now 14 years old. Still fixed, still works. Awesomeness. So I know I didn't show really a lot of how to solder that, but if you don't know how to solder board level, which I don't, I just kind of winged it, then don't attempt to repair like this. But just to show that if something can be fixed, I probably can do it. It's working. It's shutting down. It's saving our settings. And that's that. So thank you very much for watching. Make sure you click like. You should click like on this one. Make sure you click subscribe. And take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.